Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. We're here in Dazzles here on Deck 9. Check it out. Going down the stairs here. This is where the bands play. Entertainment in here nightly. Blue. Of course, got your favorite beverages over here. Setting up for some finger foods, treats, some appetizers. Hello. This is Dazzles here on Deck 8. There's something else really cool on Deck 8. Ooh. That side's closed. Gotta go this way. Yeah, there's something else crazy on Deck 8. Check this out. This is what's called Central Park. All the plants, all the trees, what you see here, these are all real.
Cool.
All these plants here, these are real plants. These are live plants. Even the trees. But the only thing that's not real in Central Park are ducks. Often you'll find rubber ducks here in Central Park. And yeah, this is quite awesome. All these live plants on a cruise ship. There are also places to eat, like Specialty Restaurant, Jamie's Italian, and complimentary places like the Park Cafe. Plenty of seating. And in case you forgot where you are, check this out. You can see up to the water slides. Got a photo shoot coming up here. Not sure I can go through there. Alright. Looks like they got married on the ship. Or maybe they got married on the island. Wow, talk about memorable. There's plenty of things to see, some sights to see here. On the other side, going back, like this angel snorkel guy. In the trellis. Ooh, nice breeze. Of course, a bar. This is Central Park here on Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.